nice and clear right there. Kind of clears out there too. I think we need to try to get up to this double tree. Set a decoy out there and see what happens. Let's do it. He's on the ground. That's closer. Man, I hope this thing don't blow your ears out, bud. We'll take it. Spot and stalk. Man. As soon as we crested this ridge right here, I could see him. He was standing right here. There was a hen up here and another turkey. I couldn't tell what it was, but I couldn't tell what he was. He was standing right here. I don't know if you guys seen, but I had to crawl further down that ridge to get over here. He popped his head up. I could see that beard. I don't know if you guys heard, but that first shot was a click. Had to rack another shell in, and that's when he turned around. And then I was able to shoot. I think I hit him on the first one. Second one definitely got him. Boom, baby, we'll take it. Yes. Oh, man. So sweet. I love it. Fucking love turkey hunting, dude. Being all shook up this. Alright guys, up there on that green hillside, that ridge, is where we was at this morning. And we looked off of that ridge down into this big bottom field. And when we did, we could see right over here, there was a strutter and two other birds. We wasn't sure what they were. I thought one was a hen for sure, but it almost looked like two toms and a hen. So we decided to come all the way around on the road in the truck and park up top up there. And I knew that this, just this little clearing was up here at the top of this hill. So we snuck through that clearing, and right up at the top of that ridge up there is where we were at when I shot that bird. I thought for sure those birds were gonna just stay down in this field. You know, come right out in this big wide open field and hang around. Instead, they opted, because our plan was to come down this grass, this little grass cut here, all the way down to this field. And I'm glad I looked over that ridge when I did, because when I did, that bird was standing there 40 yards away. Just standing there picking around, working his way up to that ridge. So instead of staying down in this bottom field, they opted to cut through this timber on this hillside and come up. I just thought that was kind of weird. I thought for sure they'd stay in this bottom, but I told Nathan on the way down here, how nice would it be to just walk up there and give him one of them. It happens, folks.
Well, you know, and this right over here, this field is where Taylor and I were at last night, coming out here to try to scout, and seen turkeys right out over here in this field. And we made it to that ridge top over there, and they spooked, and where'd they run? Right out over here to this green. This is exactly where they went. We're hightailing it back up here to these woods. And then we were on the bird over here across this ridge in another field that just ended up getting hung up on us. So we decided to come over here, check it out, paid off.